I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean click one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 배워요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. 필요한 물건을 한국어로 말하고 빌리는 연습을 해봅시다.
Here's my classroom panic moment. I need an eraser, but do I just say, 지우개? Is that enough?
좋은 질문이에요. 지우개 is the object, but in real class, you usually add a small request like 있어요, 주세요, or 빌려줄 수 있어요.
Today is not grammar heavy. The key is 4 useful nouns and 3 simple ways to ask for them.
필통은 pencils and pens go inside. In English, it is a pencil case.
공책은 you write class notes or homework in it. In English, a notebook.
지우개는 pencil marks disappear with it. In English, an eraser.
가위는 paper cutting tool. In English, scissors. Korean uses one word, 가위, whether you say scissors or a pair of scissors.
So the 4 are 필통, 공책, 지우개, 가위, pencil case, notebook, eraser, scissors.
Now, the first request pattern. Noun plus 있어요 means do you have it? Or is there one?
필통 있어요? Means, do you have a pencil case? It is simple and natural in class.
공책 있어요? means do you have a notebook? The object comes first.
Let me try. 지우개 있어요.
좋습니다. 지우개 있어요? It is clear. You are asking whether the person has an eraser.
Second pattern. Noun plus 주세요 means please give me the noun. Use it when the item is being handed out, like class materials.
공책 주세요 means please give me a notebook. It is polite and direct.
가위 주세요 means please give me scissors. Remember, Korean does not need a plural S.
If I'm asking a classmate, 주세요, might sound like I'm asking them to give it to me, not lend it, right?
맞아요. For borrowing, use 빌려줄 수 있어요? It means can you lend it to me?
지우개 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? means can you lend me an eraser? 좀 softens the request, like a polite little please.
가위 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? It means can you lend me scissors? This is safer than 가위 주세요 when it belongs to your classmate.
So, 있어요 checks if they have it. 주세요 asks to receive it, and 빌려줄 수 있어요 asks to borrow it.
Let's hear a short classroom exchange. Listen for 지우개 and 가위. 준호 씨, 지우개 있어요?
네, 있어요. 지우개 좀 빌려줄까요?
네, 고마워요. 그리고 가위도 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요?
네, 여기 있어요. In the dialogue, 지우개 있어요? Checked if I had an eraser. 가위도 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? Asked to borrow scissors too.
I noticed you attached right to 가위, 가위도. That means scissors too?
맞아요. 도 means to or also. 가위도 means scissors too. For today, just recognize it in the dialogue.
Now repeat after me. First, 필통.
필통,
좋아요. Next, 공책. The ending check has a clear final 기역 sound, but do not add an extra vowel after it.
공책,
Good. 지우개. It has 3 smooth syllables. 지, 우, 개.
지우개,
완벽해요. Last one, 가위. Two syllables. 가위.
가위.
좋습니다. Now make a full borrowing sentence. 지우개 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요?
지우개 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요.
좋아요. The common mistake is using 주세요 for everything. If it belongs to your classmate, borrowing sounds more natural.
So if I say, 가위 주세요, to a classmate, it can sound like, give me your scissors?
Exactly. From a classmate, say, 가위 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? It clearly means you want to borrow and return it.
But from a teacher handing out materials, 공책 주세요 is okay. The context decides.
Quick check. Your classmate has scissors and you need to use them for 1 minute. Which sentence is most natural?
I think A, 가위 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요. Because I'm borrowing, not receiving forever.
정답이에요. A is the best answer. 빌려줄 수 있어요 asks, can you lend it to me? So the relationship and situation feel right.
One more mini check. You walk to the front desk where notebooks are being handed out. Which request fits best?
That should be A, 공책 주세요. I'm receiving a notebook that is being handed out.
맞아요. 공책 주세요 is natural there. 공책 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? Would sound like you plan to borrow and return the notebook. 정리해 볼게요. First, 필통은 pencil case, 공책은 notebook, 지우개는 eraser, 가위는 scissors.
Second, 있어요? Checks possession or existence. In English, do you have it? Or is there one? 지우개 있어요? Means, do you have an eraser?
Third, 주세요 is for receiving something. In English, please give me. 공책 주세요 means, please give me a notebook.
Fourth, 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? Is for borrowing. In English, can you lend it to me? 가위 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? Is natural with a classmate.
My keeper sentence is, 지우개 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요. Can you lend me an eraser?
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 지우개 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? In English, can you lend me an eraser?
다음 시간에는 물건이 어디에 있는지 말해 볼게요. Until then, keep climbing the Korean ladder.